There's Kenny. There's Mama and Brady. Brady's sticking his arm out, trying to hit every leaf. He's an apple thief. There's Evie, and I've got my little Kevin right here eating his apple. Oh yeah, you boys having fun?
Yeah, we're eating.
I think we're going to be going around another turn up here. Oh, look at these apples on the trees here.
Wow, look at how dust.
Yeah, there's some dust, but that's normal for a farm, right? Gotta have a little dust. Wow.
Oh, look at the view out the back, Dave.
Let me check out that view out the back. Oh yeah. We go quite high here at the Big Apple in Wrentham. That nice gentleman is giving us a ride. He's a hero. He must know this trail well.
Probably driving blindfolded.
Wow, you boys looking at the apples over here?
I was just kidding. He's not driving it blindfold. He said he probably drives it so many times, he knows his way.
Oh, look at this. He's making a turn. I'll get him from a side view here. Oh, yeah.